As some of you know, there's a bounty list website for ARC raiders. So it's a great place to check some raiders and see if they are friendly or they are going to betray you, right? Which is nice. But what if I told you that AI can do it for you while you're playing the game? So I didn't want to alt tab every time I met someone. So I wrote a code that plays the game with me. I called it Good Boy. I just came up with the name. I don't know. It doesn't matter. So the idea is that it takes a screenshot from this here, right? As we know, if the raiders have proximity chat on, we will see their names here, right? And I thought, can I actually extract those names while I'm playing, go over to the website, check their names and get a feedback? So I started coding all the whole thing with AI together, of course. Okay, let me explain you the app. So first of all, we can select the screen. Then we can set the output device. In my case, it's here. We can also change the voice. I added that too. I'm using, by the way, it's called Kitten TDS. They also have some different voices. Next up, we can define the boxes. For example, for the proximity chat, where exactly it should be. It's here, for example, and then you have to adjust those parameters, but usually it's always in the same place. And it's the same thing with the death screen in the center after you get knocked out sometimes. And also, because of those speaker icons there, the OCR AI is sometimes converting them into a D. That's why I added this threshold here to adjust that. And for example, I can just take a screenshot of that to see if it's on the right spot. And as we can see, it's really nice here. And for the death screen, I can show it like this maybe. It's usually like this, like in the center, as you know, and the name is here. It will extract that name. So let's see. Let me make this smaller. Everything's set. We will save it. It's okay if it's just an image. Let's start that. In a high stake situation, this is maybe too slow, but before it happens, you always get those names because they use listed. It's not listed. That's good. So we don't know if the raider is positive or negative, right? And it should also tell us about
Raider MDM ARN is not listed.
Okay, nice. And it doesn't repeat, by the way. So it creates a list. So all the checked raiders are in this list right now. And you can even add some notes to that. For example, this was a red. If you want to report them on the website later on. It will also use this as a second resource. Like, for example, if you go back to the game next day and keep the list going, it will tell you that you already encountered that player. Yeah, that's it basically. That's the whole app. So yeah, this was my whole independent idea. I just came up with this and I will use it for sure if I'm on top side to get some additional information. Actually, the AI I'm using right now is from Google. They have a free API tier. You can get some credits per day, I think, but it's enough for such an application. The only thing which is running locally is the TTS and the OCR, the image extractor basically. And the AI, the big one, is the Google one, right? You can just add your own key in the environment file here and then you will be able to use it. And because I love open source, I uploaded the whole code to my GitHub, Wiredgeist. So you can grab it, add your own API key and have your own goodbye. I just wanted to share this with you guys. And maybe it's gonna work. Maybe you will play around with this. And for those who are asking, when I'm not coding weird things like this for games, I'm actually also working in IT and my background is in IT infrastructure. And since few months, I started working on a SaaS application. So I'm technically also the founder of an app I'm working on right now. It's in development right now. It's basically an AI compliance system for the European market. So that's why I'm into AI and coding, right? So it's not just a random trash idea. So yeah, that's it. I don't know. Maybe you will like it. I just wanted to share this with you and see you on top side.